Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. We will be unboxing our Mother's Day mystery box from Juvia's Place. Now, I tried to keep up with them. We've already done the one for the month of April. I'll link that one above if you'd like to see that. For those of you who are not familiar with it, it runs you anywhere between $18 and $20, and you get maybe 3 to 5 items that, trust me, well above the $18 that we would spend. Now, I also want to encourage you to check for coupon codes, okay? Because I always use a coupon, and even this go around, this is the only thing that I got, and I still paid less than what the box itself would have been, even after taxes and shipping, okay? When I used the code, I believe it was for 30% off, okay? So, and I received my box in 3 days, okay? So let's just jump in and see what came in the mystery box for Mother's Day, okay? Well, we always get a palette, which is a good thing. So in addition to the palette, which we'll check out and see what that is in a moment, we received the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner, okay? And let's just see. Okay, so let's just check out this item. It says the Nubian Intense Pencil Liner, and it is smudge proof, 12-hour long wear, and intense color payoff. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It does have a 12-month shelf life, and let me tell you something, her liners are always, well, just like everything else, the pigmentation on those items are pretty incredible. So according to this, let's see, there's actually no shade listed. So let's just go ahead and take the pencil out and see what it looks like. All right, well, this is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and clearly it's a blue shade. This one is called Royal. Okay, yes. And let's just go ahead. Oh, beautiful. That's what the shade looks like. We know this is all makeup, so we'll go ahead and swatch it right now. And that's what the pencil actually looks like. So that's pretty nice, as usual. And if I'm not mistaken, I had this one. My daughter became the owner of that pencil, okay? So I will make sure that I list the actual prices underneath each item, okay? The next item that we have, this one is a repeat for me because I did receive it in last month's box, and this is the Glass Lip Gloss. All right, and this one is a 0.16 ounce size, and it has a 12-month shelf life as well. It says it is long wearing, non-tacky, long lasting, high shine, and it is vegan. Now, I'll have you know, I have that lip gloss on now, and this is over top of my Juvia's Place nude lip, okay? So this is what it says the shade looks like. Give me 1 second and I'm going to get the one from last month, because as I said, I've already used it. So this is that actual lip gloss. Love, love, love it. I'm just going to go ahead and put just a little bit more on so you can actually see it. I didn't even have to put a lot on, right over top, just on one lip. And of course, you know, it looks amazing. Now, as y'all know, I did show you my lip gloss hack. You know, I want it to stay true to color, so I always wipe off any residue from a lipstick that I put it over top of, or even from the lip liner itself. So all the things that they said are true. It is not sticky. It does last long, and you get a little tint of the blue from the Flower Girl shade, okay? So not bad, right? It may end up in a giveaway, unless we go back to having no lip glosses again. All right, so this is kind of letting me know that this palette is going to have some kind of blue in it because we have the liner and that one is in blue, and then Flower Girl, which is that blue tint. Okay, so let's, okay, okay. I wanted this palette. Oh my God. Okay, this is one of the palettes that I do not have. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open it. Well, how about I do this? This is the palette that we received in the Mother's Day mystery box, and this is the Candy Shop palette. Okay, and it says richly pigmented shades and eye-catching hues, perfect for day to nighttime fun looks. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and take it out. Now, I do want you to also know that this one is a 16 pan palette, which is fantastic. Okay, and let's just see what the shades look like. It has a 24-month shelf life, and of course it's cruelty free, and the inside packaging looks exactly like the outside. And oh my. Okay, well, I'll have you know it does have some blue in it, but this is what it looks like. How about that? That's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I might just put a little bit of a shimmer on here. Let's just go ahead and try it out, okay? We've already tried everything else, so, and I don't necessarily have eyeshadow on. I did put a little bit of bronzer around my eyes. So let's just see what we can do here. And then we're just gonna go and tap some of this one on the top, okay? For all over the lid. Then I put the shimmer in, and this is the inner corner highlight. And we also used our, of course, the blue pencil, and this is what the lip gloss looked like. So we did actually use all of the items that came in the Mother's Day mystery box. Okay, so leave your thoughts down below. Let me know if you decided to get the Mother's Day mystery box for yourself, for your mom, for a mom. I don't know. I'm thinking I might just get another one. You know, my mom doesn't really wear eyeliner and shadow and stuff like that, but who knows? Maybe she would surprise me one day and say, go ahead and do it. But nonetheless, so let me know your thoughts down below. Just a little quick something so I can say that we did try out this palette. I happen to love this one. This is very nice. It's very summery. You know, you can use it for spring, summer, whatever. You can create a look at any point during the year, but I can appreciate the fact that this is the Mother's Day mystery box for this year. Okay, so not bad. Check out the full price for everything down below if you were to purchase it separately. Okay, so make sure you share this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Okay, I would be remiss if I close this video out without telling my own mom, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You mean the world to your children. Okay, now to my sisters, my daughters, my daughter-in-law, all of you who are part of the Season Beauties family that are mothers, I would just like to extend a happy Mother's Day to you as well. Okay? Enjoy your day. But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.